right within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So it is Tuesday. We went grocery shopping. We went to Sam's already. I edited a vlog. It's uploading. But I'm going to make ribbon trims. I've got 4 of them. 2T, 3T, and 4T. So I'm going to make those right now. And I'm not going to film it because it's the same old. But hopefully I can get to embroidering. I'm totally comfortable with using the Racoma. I feel, after yesterday, I didn't have any issues. But yeah, so first on my list is to get these ribbon trims done. I keep finding little shards of threads and stuff on here. I don't really know why, because obviously, I work down here and you might find some, but it's like I kept them up on the table and I haven't really cut anything up there, so that's why I'm like, what? Anyway, I'm gonna give them a good spraying here in a minute. I see a piece of thread and it's gonna bug me. I can't grab it out of the tool. It's deep. It's deep in there. Anyway, let's get busy. So dinner was delicious. We had beans and dirty animal. I'm watching Little House on the Prairie again. This is probably, I don't know, fifth, from season 1, first episode. And I'm still on season 1, episode 1. So I made 2 ribbon trims. They're right there. So I'm gonna start number 4 and number 5. I decided to do it this way this time, where I make one and then complete it. Usually what I'll do when I have a bunch of these is I'll do all the purple and all the pink and all the but I wanted to make sure I didn't mix up my sizes. So normally what I do is I'll do all my 3Ts, all my 4Ts, all my 5Ts, and they'll be in a line. But because I had a 2T, a 3T, a 4T, and a 5, I wanted to make sure I didn't mess anything up. And so it's a mess down here. Journey's got toys everywhere, but I'm gonna finish them all. It is 8 o'clock. No, it's 7:20. So I'm gonna finish these, and then I'm going to work on some traditional tutus. And let me just take a look. I know I gotta make some traditional tutus. I also have to make a couple let's see, a couple hair bows to go with them. So yeah, that one's done, that one's done. There's also, that one's done. Okay, that one's done. I have a shirt, which is a Candyland, that goes with one of these ribbon trims that I have to make. I also have 1, 2 aprons. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get to everything. What I probably will do is save aprons for tomorrow, even though they're supposed to ship tomorrow. And yeah, because then there's 2 more and then 2 shirts. And then, yeah, I mean, overall, there's only 12 total I want to get done by Friday. And tomorrow is Wednesday, so we're doing really good. I'll probably finish these ribbon trims and then maybe put the Candyland shirt on to embroider out, and then work on the tutus, and then after the tutus, actually maybe do the Candyland and do the hair bows, because I like to spray them with Stiff and Quick, let them dry, get them together, and then work on the ribbon trims. It's for the trolls that I stitched out yesterday, so yeah, let's worry about these ribbon trims first. Welcome to the vlog. Babe, do I ever drive?
Only whenever it benefits you. That's the only time you drive.
Somebody asked in my vlog if I drove. I have a driver's license. I don't like driving. I hate driving. I despise driving. But
You don't have to.
so we're here at Journey's
Oh, we have first wave 33.
appointment. So Journey and I are going in, and yeah, here we go. Journey's favorite. She calls this the place with olives. Do you want to eat here? And then I gotta get to work. Tonight I'm making taco salad, so I'm browning my meat and I throw my taco seasoning in. And then over here I'm gonna shred some lettuce and cut some tomato, whatever else you want to put in your salad. I think we have a cucumber. I know it's not, you know, normal like taco salad stuff, but we're gonna make lettuce, yeah, the tomato, probably a cucumber just because we have one. Avocado, if you have avocado, we have one. They're not ripe, I don't know. And some cheese, and then we mix it together with some salad dressing of your choice. We like ranch, so we're going to mix it with ranch, and then we're going to add our taco meat when it's finished, and we are also going to crunch up some Doritos and mix it in, and then that's dinner. So here it is. We use taco flavored Doritos. I just crushed them. I was going to say scrunched them. Crushed them. Mixed everything together. This is what it looks like. I know we call it taco mess, but you know, it's better when you have avocados, but mine are not ripe. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to serve it up.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
Hey guys, so I am packaging orders. I'm almost done. These are my last two, which are the tutus, the trolls. So it's kind of funny though. I had a customer want to order my troll set, but this person specifically just wanted these tutus, like the troll sets. So I actually sold 3 of them. So these two, and then the one I made earlier. So anyway, so tonight I had the Ricoma, the Bravo, and the EMT 16X all going at the same time, and it was beautiful. So I'm getting used to using the Ricoma. I mean, I feel like at this point, like, I would pretty much, you know, put any order I have on it. I think I have to put gems on these. I think, like, I'm comfortable enough to, like, you know, do any order as long as, you know, I have the thread and everything for it. I didn't end up ordering my thread. I was going to order my thread yesterday. I never did. I'm going to hold off a little bit longer just because I had some other bills I had to get taken care of. Like, I had to put money on my credit card, and so now I'm gonna package these up. I just put a little gem right here, but overall it was a good day. I got a lot of orders done by working all the machines. I did aprons on the one. I actually did a couple aprons over here too, and then I did like some shirts. I did basically the aprons on the Bravo. I did shirts here, and then I just did the one shirt on the Racoma. Let me tell you guys, so when I went to put the apron on the Bravo, all 16 needles were unthreaded. And I was like, oh my gosh. And Jordan was like, I didn't do it. And I was like, you know, I didn't even, you know, say who did this or anything. And she was just like, I didn't do it. And so I was like, this is just so strange. And I'm like, I don't think the cats would, you know, do it. I don't see how the cat could do it. I mean, we're talking about Winnie. Of course she could probably figure out a way. But I'm like, oh, this is so weird. So I had to thread all 16 needles, which is a pain in the butt. Nobody likes threading needles. But then I got that threaded, and, you know, got that one set up and going. And then I was getting the Racoma going. And, you know, I was doing the trace to trace it. And so I was like, all of those needles were unthreaded. Like somebody had just taken them all and just unthreaded them. So I'm like, okay, somebody did this. Because it's not just a coincidence that both machines are unthreaded, right? So I go upstairs, and Journey's up there, and Sterling had her cousin Alyssa over. And so I'm like, Journey, come here. I was like, somebody had unthreaded my Racoma. And she was like, I didn't do it. And so I didn't ask her if she did it. So I just ended up rewording, and I said, why did you do that? And she immediately like broke down in tears and was like crying and hiding behind Alyssa like she was in trouble. So I was like, you know, you need to come here and talk to me, or else you will be in trouble. So eventually she just came over and like clung to me, was like clinging to me and hugging me and like, you know, crying into my shirt. And anyway, I just told her that, you know, I didn't appreciate it because I have to go and thread all those needles, and you know, make sure she doesn't do it again, because I don't want her getting hurt. You know, I was like, expensive machines, and, you know, you could get her on a needle. So anyway, but I am going to go upstairs now that these are done. Ooh, almost forgot the hair bow. So these are little hair bows that I put with them. One day I was making them, and you know how Poppy's hair is like all, I just decided to add a little tulle on one side. Don't know why, but I did. So, but yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. We don't have anything going on tomorrow, which I'm so excited, because I'm just like, I have Zumba, so I'm always excited for Zumba. But other than that, we don't have no appointments or anything in the morning. Because it's like Monday we went and got, you know, our taxes done. And then, no. Oh, we went and got a car. We bought the car on Monday. I'm like, what did we do? We bought the car on Monday. So we got up early, went over there, did all that. So that was Monday. I don't remember whose order this is. And then, Tuesday, we went grocery shopping, and my husband went and had the car looked at. Why did he have the van looked at? Oh, he wanted to make sure because one of the tires was off. The light came on and said that something was off. So we just went and looked, and there was just something off with the sensor, which thankfully, you know, didn't have anything major wrong with it, although we do have a 30-day warranty with it. So if anything goes wrong within 30 days, we can send it back and, you know, they'll fix it. So yeah, so he took it to the person we go to for our tires, and they were able to figure out that, you know, it was just something off with one of the sensors and fix that. And then we were asking about tires because the tires on it looked a little cracking, like they were cracking, getting weathered, deteriorating, kind of, you know. So they said, yeah, you know, you're, you know, due for some new tires. These tires probably been on the car for 7 years, as old as the car is. I have to get a box. Okay. Anyway, so my husband just told them, okay, well, we'll get new tires. And so we came back this morning, and he got new tires before Journey's appointment, and then we went to Journey's appointment, and yeah. So, tomorrow, Thursday, we don't have to get up early. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so I'm down to like 13 open orders. So having, you know, 3 machines going, it's just like, I feel like I can get so much stuff done. I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.